it is good to again acknowledge the enormous amount of work, focus and vision that has been given to us or shown to us by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, who is also our party leader. We want to thank him for that leadership, that we now have a document that brings together over 27 parties, and that also makes it easier for us in Azimio to continue now with a secretariat to ensure that we have our campaign rallies that will involve all the 27 parties. And as part of it also, there are the other timelines that we must meet as a party, including the ensuring that we are prepared for the nominations. We are aware of the dates that we are being given from time to time by the registrar of political parties.